Welcome students. Today we will discuss some rules from your grammar book, and the topic is subject verb agreement. In this chapter, the first rule you have to understand is that verb is used according to the subject. So we have to find out whether the subject is singular or plural. That is our first thing. Whenever we write a sentence in English, that will depend on your choice of subject and verb, then only it will be grammatically correct or incorrect. First thing, the first rule of this subject verb agreement chapter is that the verb must agree with the subject, number and person, and singular subject takes singular verb, and plural verb takes plural subject. Plural subject takes plural verb. Both should match, agree. Here agree means match to each other, agree to each other. And the only one rule, the main rule is that singular subject takes singular verb, plural subject takes plural verb. But confusion is there when the sentence is complex and when the subject is confusing. First of all, when we have read in tense also that in simple present tense with verb we use, with subject we use V1 or V5. In third person and singular number, the subject which is third person also and singular also, then we use V5 means S or ES is added in the first form of the verb. He works hard, my brother smokes. So he works hard, they work hard. If I say my brother smokes, my brothers smoke. This is the first rule. In the negative, does is used with third person and singular number. He does not work hard, they do not work hard. In plural we use do. My brother does not smoke, my brothers do not smoke. We have to keep in mind, if it is in simple present tense, we have to follow this rule. Main problem comes when it looks plural but we see that it is singular. Subject made up of two or more nouns. Ram and Syam were good friends. Ram is good friend, Syam is good friend. Ram is a good person, Syam is a good person. Ram and Syam are good friends. Yes, there was correction here. Iron is metal, gold is metal. Iron and gold are metals. Sometimes subject is separated by clause. All my friends in the town. Town is not here subject. Subject is friends. All my friends in the town know you well. We have to find out which is the subject. Nearest subject is not necessarily the subject. Each, every, either, neither, these are always singular. Each boy knows this fact. We have to know this fact. Let us see the next rule, that is regarding this singular, whether it is singular or plural. Either he or I. Now there is confusion. Two subjects are there, he or I. Which it is will plural? No. Why? There are two subjects, but it is not plural. Why? Because these two words are connected by either or. Either or. Neither, no. If two subjects are connected, what we do? We have to use singular. And the latest one, either he or I am the winner. Neither you nor Rakesh has. We use according to the later if both are singular. And sometimes it is confusing, the news, wages, needles, these words are confusing. This looks plural, but it is, these words are singular. News is shocking. Wages of sin is death. Measles is. So these confusing words are singular, although it looks plural. Shoes are, but the pair of shoes is. Scissors, although it is one. Scissors are. Bread and butter, there are two things it seems, but bread and butter is singular. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Time and tide, two subjects are there, but it comes always together, and it is only we use it as singular. Time and tide waits for none. And sometimes in English same word is both, sometimes it is plural and sometimes it is singular also. For example, the jury were divided and jury is one. So we have to remember all these exceptions, and then only you can use accordingly. Thank you.